Hi, my name is Rachel. Are you in the process of setting up your own Shopware 6 shop and are still new in the material? Maybe you've got some problems with the basic settings or have some questions about Shopware in general. Then you've come to the right place. With our Shopware Knowledge Channel, you can find a wide range of tutorials and training lessons. We regularly upload new content and our channel always stays up to date. With the help of manageable playlists, you can easily find your way through our channels and tutorials. And if you are missing a topic, please let us know in the comments so that we can try to implement the topic in our videos then. If the video doesn't help in general, you can always find more information in our documentation. Here, each module from the admin is linked in detail again, and every video is linked as well. However, so that you can understand our click paths and settings more clearly, it is always good to have someone who explains and shows you the things in addition to our documentation. That's exactly what our channel is for. You are also welcome to exchange your ideas with the entire Shopware community using our Shopware forum, where you can find a tip or two and many creative ideas. If you are the lucky owner of a Shopware subscription, you can obviously use our support directly in your Shopware account. You can find it under Shop Owner Support after logging into your account on your website. But enough chatting now. Have fun browsing around our channel and our videos. Bye.